it is quite future-proof at the moment. I can feel that in the future, like even if we switch from different ways of reconstructing the content, like all the HOLOSYS has potential for new algorithm and reconstruction technologies. So I think, yeah, Gaussian splatting mostly for our research projects and future collaborations. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm Geoffrey. I am, a scientist working for Métiers, so the university. And so I'm sharing my time between, teaching master's students and the lab to conduct experiments. I'm involved in, investigating the way avatars impact the behavior and cognition of users in immersive environments. So this is my research. Because it's part of a bigger project called CapLab, where we have the volumetric capture using the HOLOSYS. But we also want to, promote this new platform, and it was a great way to, to present the potential of the technology and sharing this potential with students. In the future, the students may become partners or collaborators, so it's a great way to promote the whole environment and the equipment. I wanted them to explore the potential of the, altering the content, using different, scales, using different shaders. I wanted them to explore new ways of displaying the volumetric content, not only integrating the quite realistic capture. I wanted them to, change the way you can perceive the volumetric capture and content in immersive environments. And I'm quite happy as many teams, I would say, engaged in this direction. And so we had different games with different scales, small characters and giants, different shaders, holograms, etc. So I think it was quite cool, the diversity. I think that most of the students of the hackathon were interested in exploring the potential, but at the same time, obviously they are not used to the technology. It's something you can't access easily. So they had to discover the whole process from capture to rendering. That's why I was very interested in the way they could use the volumetric content, which is realistic, and switch to something maybe more, I would say, creative in the context of the hackathon. So. In the short term, I would say, like, my colleagues in the lab here, they are very interested in learning and pedagogical content, because, like, we have some projects and potential partners interested in ways of capturing, knowledge, know-hows, and the way of displaying such content, and the way you can, use immersive technologies at the same time to learn from the best who were captured in the HOLOSYS. So this is one of the main directions we tend to go now. I'm very curious in the potential of and the new directions of capturing the content. So we are exploring nowadays, like, the volumetric content creation, but also the Gaussian splatting technology at the same time, using the same cameras. So the cool thing here is it is quite future-proof at the moment. I can feel that in the future, like, even if we switch from different ways of reconstructing the content, like all the HOLOSYS has potential for new algorithm and reconstruction technologies. So I think, yeah, Gaussian splatting mostly for our research projects and future collaborations. Yeah.